Hey there, welcome to Saloni's Saturday Knits. So this Saturday I took out this really cool colored yarn which is lying in my closet since so long and crocheted it into a beautiful bow shaped headband. It looks pretty on your head and keeps you really warm. So this was my very first time doing something using a crochet. In fact, my very first time holding a crochet. So I started just playing around, experimenting, and learning how to hold the crochet needle, getting comfortable wrapping the yarn around. So I started with some chain stitches, single chains, 14 chain stitches to be exact. And for the first row, I made these double crochet stitches. I'm not sure if these are called double crochet or single crochet stitches, but this is the pattern that I followed, so I'm just showing you. Let's hope the neatness and uniformity will come with time and a lot of practice. But for now, I just enjoyed making it. Turning this ball of yarn into a beautiful piece of fabric, it felt good, you know. So once I was done with the first row, I made a single chain stitch and then turned my work around and followed the exact same pattern up to the end of the row. So after an hour or so, it started getting into some shape, and then I knew what I had to do with it. So I kept weaving up to a certain length till the time it wraps around my head completely. And for the ends, I sewed it into this cute little bow. And this is how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.